Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to abc2news.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with an outlook on a soggy setup for your Monday as well as Tuesday. Things will begin to warm up as we go towards the end of the week. Let's talk about it right now. Here's a look at the situation that's going on. We have an area of low pressure still coming together just to the south of us. High pressure playing defense, that's why a lot of this rain is scattered for now. But as we go into the afternoon, I'm thinking that the rain is going to become more widespread. So for the majority of this morning, we'll continue to see off and on showers, some of which could be heavy at times, but the real rain doesn't arrive until late tonight, going into your Tuesday morning and afternoon. So we have about a solid 48-hour period of dealing with this rain. So here's a look at your first round. Going to be a possibility to see some heavy rain for the morning commute. So just a heads up there as we go into your late morning hours. Now we'll go from 6 a.m. till around lunchtime, and yeah, I'd say still keep the umbrella handy. We should be dealing with waves of rain, therefore one round will come in, we dry up for a little bit, and then yet another round comes in right behind that. So it's that type of pattern until we get towards Monday night, when, as you can see, another round of rain will be moving in, and this one is expected to be even heavier, and that'll take us into your Tuesday. Here's a look at it right now on Futurecast. After midnight, we'll start off with some scattered showers, but there's going to be a nor'easter moving along the coast. That's going to be bringing in not only breezy or gusty winds, but also a decent amount of rainfall into the area. So just a heads up there, even though we're dealing with rain now, we'll have a repeat as we go into your Tuesday. So this will be a soggy setup to kick off the work week. So your high temperature today with the clouds and the rain locked in, best we can do 55. We should be in the mid 60s. So yeah, we're going to average 10 degrees below average thanks to the cloudy skies. Rain's going to be heavy at times. It returns later tonight. And speaking of which, we'll bottom out to about 50 degrees. Those winds will pick up, and as we go into Tuesday, you'll find we'll be slightly milder, but still rainy. But hey, it gets brighter. Check out that 7-day forecast. We're averaging 80s as we go towards your weekend. And with the 80-degree temps, more humidity, and also chances of storms, so another spring-like pattern, maybe even a summer-like pattern, will return to close out this week. And thanks for joining us here at abc2news.com to get your forecast information. We'll have another update for you with Wyatt later this afternoon.